So you got your BMW, you see this vehicle check thing come up on your dash, you can see it in the infotainment system. You know, it says you gotta get your car checked and, you know, 400, what does that say, 460 miles now. This, if your BMW is basically a high mileage BMW and it's running fine and like nothing's visibly wrong and you can't hear anything wrong, I honestly just ignore it and I just reset it. I reset the light so it's not coming up on my dash every time I start the car. So I'm just going to show you guys how to reset it real quick to make your life a little bit easier. So I don't know if this makes a difference, but I would just make sure my door's closed. Basically what you want to do is start the car without actually starting it. So don't put your foot on the brake. Just press the start button once, twice. So you see I have the service light. Basically we're just going to reset that. There's my lights. Okay, so basically what you want to do is clear out all the codes that you have. So you just saw my front halo light bulb went off. So what you want to do is make sure all that's cleared out by pressing the BC button before you do anything. Just click the BC button, clear everything out. What you want to do is hold down this button right here. So after you hold down this button, the little triangle will come up and then you'll see this. And then basically what you want to do after that is hold down this BC button. It's going to say reset. And then hold it down again. It's like thinking, the little clock. And then it's reset.